Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a free APK website with free hosting. You can go here and type infinity free. Then you can go and create a free account. So you will be able to use all of the hosting features. And here we need to create a free account. So let me go here and click on sign up button. Then sign up with Google. Let me select one of email account. Then click on continue button, and now here we need to create an account. Scroll down and here you can see these are the different web hosting packages. So at this moment we want to use this one free package. And here we need to add website name. For example, let me add enable APK, and here you can select one of the name. So let me select this one. Then click on check availability, and here you can add account label enable APK website, and here you can add password. Then scroll down and you can approve this one. Then click on create account, and now it will take few minutes. After that your account will be ready to use. And now here you can see account is created. So now we need to install WordPress. You can directly go in script installer and then select WordPress. You can also install WordPress from here, control panel, and here you can add username, then add password, and here you can add email, then add here website, then scroll down. You can select website language, and then you can select theme. Click on install button, and now WordPress is installing. It will take few seconds. Okay, all right, now let's view the website on front side. And here you can see this one is the default interface for a WordPress website when you fresh install. And now to log in into website, you can add wp-admin, and here you can add username and password. And now here you can see we are logged in into website. So this is called WordPress dashboard. So now you can install any of the theme. So let me go and select the file. This one, then click on install button, and it will take few seconds. After that it will be installed and we will activate this theme. So now theme is installed. Let's activate. After theme activation, you can go back to the tools, then click on import. Scroll down. Here you can see WordPress. Click on run importer. Select the file. File is here, this one, .xml. So XML is the format that you can easily upload. And here you can select this one, download and import file attachments, then click on submit button. and here you can see different apps are listed here. So you can open any of the app. So all detail is here. You can add description as well as you can add download links. So you can simply edit this one, and after that here you can see this one is app title, and this one is the description that's here. Then here you can select the app category, then tags, and here you can add featured image. Here you can add some description, and you can add version. Here you can see this one. Then scroll down, and here you can add apps images, and then for the download links you can add here. So if I go here,